Do you know why older men prefer to have sexual relationships only with virgin women? Don't be shocked. Older men tend to prefer having sexual relationships with virgin women. However, this preference is often linked to feelings of insecurity. They do not want to be intimate with a woman who has had sexual relationships with other men. Every man is different. Their preferences and desires vary from person to person. Among them, some older men are said to prefer marrying a virgin woman. Many men live in a fantasy world where they dream of being with a virgin woman who has never had sexual relations with anyone else. They desire a virgin woman who has not given in to desires or sexual experiences and who is ready to belong only to them. The idea of a virgin woman attracts older men for many reasons. Based on research and analysis, this article discusses the reasons why older men prefer having sexual relationships with virgin women. 1. Can be shaped according to their preference. Older men believe that virgin women can be molded and shaped according to their tastes and preferences. They think that such women exist mainly to serve their husbands and should remain with them alone. Because of this belief, they prefer to marry a virgin woman. They try to shape her beliefs and values according to their own. 2. Higher sense of pride and ego. When men have sexual relations with a virgin woman, they feel proud that they are the first person to be intimate with her. This boosts their self-esteem, and because this feeling seems justified to them, they take pride in it. As a result, they feel more dominant and confident. 3. Jealousy and insecurity. Older men prefer having sexual relationships with virgin women because they feel insecure. They do not want to be intimate with a woman who has had sexual relationships with other men. The thought of it makes them uncomfortable and even resentful. Therefore, they try to find women who have not been sexually involved with anyone else and who will be close only to them. 4. Expectation of loyalty. This may sound unbelievable, but some older men are strongly inclined toward being intimate only with virgin women. Though it may seem strange, this is connected to their expectations in relationships. A man may want to be with only one woman and expect that she will be with him alone and remain loyal. Such men may look for long-term relationships and expect a partner who will not be involved with anyone else. 5. Lower risk of sexually transmitted diseases. Another reason some older men prefer being with virgin women is the belief that there is no risk of sexually transmitted diseases. Older men want to avoid infections such as herpes, chlamydia, and gonorrhea, and they believe being with a virgin woman reduces this risk.